and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unofficial room tour of the room in our house in Delhi. We have actually, you don't know this, we've moved from Delhi to Noida actually, so this is not technically my Delhi house, but you get what I'm trying to say. So this is the room. I recently made it up into something that I can call is like a homely, cozy, fuzzy place to stay in whenever I come back home. So I'm very excited to share it with you. Let's roll the clips. So this is my room from outside, right next to my brother's room. Sadly, we're always together. Anyways, you walk in. This is the mat that I chose for myself. I have this sign, this I don't know what to call it, but my father has climbed the Mount Everest, and these are the signatures of all the mountaineers. There's even Sir Edmund Hillary's sign. I've actually met him because my father went on an expedition with him. So you go here. This is the bathroom. It's just there. We haven't touched it much, and this bathroom is never used. I just put this there. There's the aquarium there, but yeah, it's very dirty as you can see, but very spacious and very happy with it. So yeah, so you come here, and this is the entirety of my room, which is a big room, I must say. The first thing you see here, if you remember my beautiful jewelry armoire, but somebody, I don't know who yet, put brown tape here, and now obviously there are marks, so I've not removed it, but I'm so sad about it. I'm gonna go to home center, buy a cleaner for it, because this is too much of a prized possession. So you have that. Then you have my almirah. So these are just stored here. Honestly, I've been using this one right now because the almirah that comes in this room is already full. It's the same bed that I had in my previous room. We've just dumped everything from the previous house here, and I don't want to buy anything new because these things work. Why not? We did buy this beautiful carpet piece, and my mom put it there. It looks so beautiful with it, makes it look very cozy. My mom actually put these on the wall. I think they're very cute, very pretty, makes it look very homely. My suitcase, which I've been living out of, this almirah which comes with the room, is full. I've got this beautiful big balcony, so blessed to have it. Then over here I made my little study, reading corner, nook, editing corner. Hi! So we put two mirrors here. This table, if you remember, I'm not gonna let go of it because I painted it white. So I've got the iced vanilla wood candle which I stole from the living room. I love it. I've got this little thing which was a gift. I can stick a picture there, and this Pepsi bottle which looks very retro. You know, somebody from Singapore coming to India and calling these things retro. Yeah, so cringy. But I'm gonna put a flower in there. And this little thing which was actually, this was here, but then it's there as a little thing to sit on. It's very nice, cozy. We've got this little area. I'm showing this in a very bad way, by the way. This is not an official room tour, okay? I've got these little things here. Again, whatever we already had, I'm using. My father's photo, this beautiful Charminar which was in my room, reminding me of travel. Just a random robo. Just, yeah. This canvas which my school best friend made for me, very pretty. Then I've got two pots here, and just this glass, we just put it there so that something is done. One of my favorite new parts of this room is this beautiful thing. It's painted this white. It looks very rustic and very like, oh, I just made it in my backyard. I love it. I put some books, my school awards, memory box and stuff like that here, and yeah, that constitutes my room. Very happy with it so far. So that was my room here in Delhi, Noida. Let me know your thoughts about the room. Do you have any ideas of what I could add here to make it look more decorated, or some DIYs I can do, color schemes, anything? Put your thoughts in the comments below. I am very happy to have a room. It has high ceilings, this big balcony, like everything I've ever dreamt of. So I'm very blessed and happy about this place, and I cannot wait to spend more time in here. So yeah, that was that. Thanks for hanging out with me here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.